Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to fix servers full friends can't join issue in once human. So if you are encountering the servers full friends can't join issue in the game once human, it usually means that the servers that you are trying to join has reached its player capacity. So in order to fix this issue, here are some of the things that you can try. First, you can check the server capacity. For that, you just have to refresh the server list. Sometimes servers may show as full due to outdated information. So refresh the list to see if any sports have opened up. If the servers is consistently full, try joining a different server with available slots. Communicate with your friends to join the same server together. Occasionally, servers may have technical issues, so check the game's official forums or social media for any announcements regarding the server status. Second thing that you can do is you can increase the server capacity if you own the server. So you just have to access to the server settings through the game and server hosting platform to increase the layer limit if possible. If you are using a hosting service, consider upgrading to a plan with higher capacity. Third thing that you can do is you can simply optimize the server performance. First, you can either restart the server or you can reduce the server load. So a server restart can help clear out any temporary issue and free up slots. You need to ensure that the server is not overloaded with plugins or mods that may impact the performance. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue or find a suitable workaround. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.